Man, you see these big, beautiful doors? You can't be having a light just mounted to the siding like they did. No, sir. We're going to make a copper mounting plate for some smooth-ass copper lanterns. And I've never done this. So, but that's cool. That's what I like about my job, man. We just figure out what we got to do. We know the end result, and we just do it. But I just used some 1x. I had the mounting plate for the copper lantern. I know what size that is, so I made my bracket to allow for enough room I needed. Took some 1x, drilled a 4-inch hole in it, mounted it, made sure it was level, and then grabbed the old zip tape. Man, this stuff is crazy. I started the tape on the bottom, then I worked my way up the sides, get all those wrinkles out of there. You don't want any wrinkles. Try to get it as tight as possible, and then we'll just finish it off on the top. That's it. I mean, you just gotta pretend you're water sometimes, and how that water is gonna flow. So you just gotta think and make sure no water's gonna get in there. So I'm gonna go on up with my siding. I'm gonna tape the top of that piece of siding to where no water is gonna get in behind it. Here we have some copper J channel that I made out of scrap, basically from a previous project on this job on the blind gable. So I had some scrap copper, and I used the aluminum brake and just made myself some J channel. Made it 3/4 inch thick, got a 1/2 inch flange on it, and we'll just wrap the perimeter of this thing. Use your copper nails, that way you're not mixing metals. And even if you did have to buy the copper, man, it ain't gonna break the bank. I mean, this is a very cost-effective way to have a solid copper light mount. Look at that, got a little bonus flashing right there. Never gonna see it, but hey, got it. And not the same kind of got it that you need to go to the doctor to get rid of it. We got it because it's on point. Look at that. We'll put a little zip tape on top of there. Dude, if any water, worst case scenario, if any water ever got in behind there, it's still gonna drain right over the top of it. Oh, there it is, the final piece. I used aluminum brake, put a 1/2 inch hem on 3 sides of this thing, and it slides right over the top. How sweet is that, man? But there it is. There's my little spin on how to make a solid copper light mount for your copper lantern. Thanks for watching.